Hey, what's up guys, Jake here. Today I'm opening some another 2K Empty Central, mainly because right now I don't have MT or VC to open packs on 2K, and I'm going to try to pull a Amethyst or Diamond maybe. Let's go. Oh, amazing start. Silver, okay, well, it's Austin Rivers, not that bad. Okay, good. Pretty lucky. But before this, I was literally playing like gold players every round. Why is this? What? No, I don't want to go this. Playing golds like every round, and now, yeah, I'm not playing really good stuff. I mean, good golds, not like 80-something golds or silvers. Football. Oh my god. I was gonna try to get a name of this, but now I feel like I should try to get a good gold. Okay. Let's go. Amethyst already. That's a good sign that we're gonna get a diamond, hopefully. No, maybe. Annie. Let me see that thing. Let's see who wants to play. Flip, whatever. Oh, yeah. I thought that was gonna work again because last time we did that, we just got an amethyst. Any amethyst here? Oh, my computer's lagging like crazy. No, let's check the gold. Okay, not bad. Pretty good pack. Diamond. No, gold at least. Okay, Carl Anthony Towns, not bad. Why do those ads keep on me? Oh my god. I have this football. Nope. Oh my god, nobody cares about your ads. Okay. Guess. Oh, Curry! Let's go! Curry! If you don't know, I actually have him in 2K16, this exact Curry. If you follow me on Vine or just watch my Vines, you know what I'm talking about. I had sick accidental shot from pretty much not full court, but like, oh, there you go. Pretty much it was way behind half court in the gauntlet. It was accidental. I was trying to cross over, but I shot. Let's go, Amethyst! Okay. And another thing, I had a buzzer beater on line too, not half court. I'm gonna press the ball and I'm gonna leave. But I have no clue how I'm gonna get. Okay. Please, that be a no, not MJ. No, MJ, I'll take MJ. Oh, it didn't flip. It's, no, the UFC. I don't want to see your ads. Okay. Show me when. Okay, that's pretty nice. I just realized something. The one time I have amazing pack luck, I mean, this site has better odds than 2K, but still, the fact that I get this many amethysts that close together, I would probably pull at least one in 2K. So why can't I be doing this pack opening in 2K? Ugh. And so, guys, I'm trying to save up money to buy some VC. I know a lot of you don't like people that don't like people buy VC, but I'm doing it just for pack opening for you guys. I opened the playoff packs, a box. joke. Alright. I thought it was Jerry's Steakhouse, and I was going to say, okay, I'm finally getting the steakhouse. It was a pretty bad joke. It's like the last time on down joke. Ow, I hurt myself. Okay, what I hurt? Overdoingly? It's not. And if you're wondering how I got Curry, oh my god, I sold like my whole team pretty much. All my good golds. Because he was not actually a lot less than you'd expect him to be. Even if it is really late in 2K. Okay, Russell Westbrook, come on. Or Dirk. That's pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good. Okay. I'm just gonna shut up. Oops. Okay. There. Oh my gosh, I don't care about this stupid ad. Let's see if I can get another amethyst. No. Let's see if I can get a. Pretty good. 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 See if we can get some. Oh, JR. Why'd you have to leave the Knicks? It's a nice jersey. I don't know why it's the Bullets, but. Wow. Oh, Steve Kerr. Why couldn't that be his player card? I think he has one. Oh my gosh, why is this stupid page? I don't care about rec.com. Oh, dang it. Please be a, I think I'll get my head Russell Westbrook though. Or not. Did we just get him like a couple packs ago? Don't be a player, don't be a bronze player. Oh my gosh, my computer is lagging so much. Yeah, and this video. Okay, I need to get it. I can pull it on the video. Next amethyst I get, I'll end the video, so I'm just gonna speed some packs. Speed some packs. Did I do this? No. There's only like 2 minutes left. Oh! Sleepy Floyd. Andrew Wiggins. Jalen Rose. Doc Rivers. Glenn Davis. That picture is amazing. Oh, Paul Pierce. Well, that couldn't be the amethyst Paul Pierce. 91 throwback Paul Pierce. Come on, come on. I've never, well, now that I think of it, I've never in a League VIP pack gotten a diamond in 250 Central. Definitely not. But, that's gonna do it for this pack opening. Hope you guys enjoyed. I know I said it end with a diamond or an amethyst, but okay, here you go. I got an amethyst. Well done. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next time.